Order registration. Enter information about the order in the fields on the screen. Grayed out fields are automatically filled in. To select a vehicle, press F3, select model. The model selection will be on the screen. Use your mouse or up and down, right and left, or enter buttons to move along the list. You can select a model from the vehicle list in the TechnoVector database. Select a custom model from the user's vehicle list or create a new custom model. Select a model from the list of vehicles that have been used recently. To select a model, highlight it in orange and press F2, select. If you return to the order registration screen, in the field named Selected Car Model, there will be the name of the model that you selected in the model selection mode. If you want to use a vehicle that was measured earlier with this wheel aligner, use the client search mode. The order registration is complete. All the data will be saved and printed out in the report after finishing wheel alignment. Press F2 Continue to proceed to the image view mode.